In this video, we are going to see how we can quickly fix the ERR cache underscore miss error, which says confirm forms resubmission. This page requires data that you entered earlier in order to properly displayed, and you can read through it. Let's see some quick solutions on how you can fix this. So what we need to do is just open up the start menu and just write here CMD. And once we have this open, just right click on it and click on run as administrator. If this asks for you for the confirmation to allow changes to make this app, click yes. And let me just zoom it a little bit so that you can see the commands clearly. And the command is very simple. Just write ipconfig, give a space /flush DNS, hit enter, and it will say successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. And after that, just write similar command like netsh space winsock, give a space again, and just write reset. Make sure all the spellings are correct and you give the one space between each word, hit enter, and it will successfully reset the winsock catalog. After that, you must restart the computer to make this effective. So after restart, hopefully your problem will be solved. But if not, what you can try as well is just go to the Google Chrome, and from here just click on these three dots, click on the settings. Actually, you can go it from here as well. Delete browsing data, click on delete the browsing data, and make sure the time range is set to all. And it doesn't matter if you cleared the browsing history or cached images. The only thing that is concerned to this particular error is the cookies and other site data. So make sure to remove that. Click on delete data. And that's pretty much what you need to do in order to clear this error. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.